Eze bube, see how far you've brought me. Hi guys, it's your girl Evie. Welcome to Tasty and Fresh Kitchen, where we always prepare tasty meals with fresh ingredients, and you know it. So today we are making this juicy and flaky chicken pie recipe for Christmas. Okay, so let's go. So over here we add 4 cups of flour. Then we are going to add some salt to taste, baking powder, and some sugar to taste, which is optional. Okay, so we are going to sieve this to take away any unwanted particle, family. Alright, so once we are done, we are going to add our margarine or butter. So this is 1.5 cup. So we're going to mix this thoroughly, but please be gentle with it, okay? So you don't mess your kitchen. So this is what we have here. So I had some little milk in my fridge, so I am adding it to it. And then I'll be adding 1 egg to it, and then we are also going to mix this for it to incorporate into each other. So we sprinkle some water to it, and then we mix it, but please be gentle with it, okay? With the water, I mean. So we're going to knead this to perfection. It shouldn't be too hard and it shouldn't be too soft. So our perfect pie dough is ready here. So we're going to work on it, and then we are going to refrigerate this for 30 minutes whilst we prep our chicken filling. So after cleansing it, I take it straight into the refrigerator. So these are my ingredients for my filling. I have chicken, onion, mixed veggies, seasoning, and some cornstarch. I'll be listing all the ingredients in the description box, so you check it out, okay? I have seasoned my chicken already. So in my skillet, I add my onions, then I add my chicken to it and allow it to cook for about 10 minutes, okay? So I use chicken breasts, but you can choose to use any part of the chicken you want, family. It's okay. You can also shred it. It's also accepted and it's nice, okay? So at this point, my chicken is cooked, so I add my mixed veggies. I love mixed veggies. Then I add the remaining onions and more peas, some curry powder, some black pepper, some salt to taste, and then I added a little chili pepper to it, but then I couldn't capture it, so you can choose to add it to it. It's optional, okay? So you can see our chicken filling is doing amazingly great. It's so beautiful and it tastes great and it's delicious, family. You need a correct filling for a correct pie, okay? So at this point, I add my cornstarch to it, and then we allow it to cook for about 2-3 minutes, family. So once it thickens up, we add little water to it and stir for it to cook. We want our filling to be juicy. I hope you understand. Juicy pie na ed. So I added some little water to it and then allowed this to cook for about 2 minutes, and our chicken filling is ready. So we are going to set it aside and allow it to cool down, okay? So now we are going to mold our pies. So I am using a triangular pie molder. You can choose to use any pie molder of your choice, or you can do a manual one. Okay, so over here I place my pie dough in my pie cutter, then I add my filling, I egg wash the edges and then close it up. So I'll repeat the same process till my pie dough is done. So just look at this beautiful shape we have here. So I want to use this opportunity to thank all of you guys for the massive support. I'm overwhelmed. I'm grateful, family. God bless you. It's the doing of the Lord and it is so marvelous in my eyes. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Kindly click on the notification button so that anytime I post a new video, you will be notified, and then you click on the notification bell, okay? So now that we are done with molding, we are going to egg wash our pies and then create some little holes on top of it. But whilst doing this, I have preheated my oven and it's ready for me. So I am going to bake this for about 30 minutes. But please make sure it's on a low heat. So family, enough with the meat pies. Try this chicken pie recipe and you'll be glad you did, okay? So look at this. Ta-da! How juicy and beautiful it is. It's so nice. Just look at it. Eye-catching, mouth-watering, and finger-licking. So so this festive season, make your own chicken pie and serve your family and friends, and they will be glad you did, okay? Just look at it. Oh my goodness. It's so juicy and so beautiful and inviting. I am going to pair mine with this chilled malt, family. So join me. Let's enjoy our snack, okay? Thank you guys. If you like this video, just give your girl some thumbs up. Bye bye.